Welcome to another episode of Codewars. Today we will be trying our skills with some programs. For example, filter out the geese, squash the bugs, unit only once, it's beginner, sum the mixed array, and also what is between. So let's get started. Goose filter function take different types of birds, and we must return this array without the geese birds. Goose filter takes bird as an array, and then we create new array called TMP, and it's empty array to create our own array filled with birds without geese. And for each bird in array birds, we need to check if this bird is not in array geese, and if it's not, we need to add this bird to our array. So with method append, we add the bird to TMP array, and at the end we just return the TMP array. Find the longest function takes string, and something goes wrong here, and we must try to find this and repair the code to return the longest string in given one. Find longest function takes string, and then we create a split of this string to separate each word from given phrase, and we also create variable longest where we have the value of the length of the longest word, and then we iterate for each word in our phrase, and if the length of word is bigger than the longest variable which contains our word, we just assign to the longest our new length of the longer word, and at the end we just return the longest. Check function checks if in our sequence, which we given to the check function, there is an element which we also given to the function, and if the element is in sequence, we just return true, and if it's not, we return false. Check function takes sequence and element, and if the element is in our sequence, we return true, and for other cases we just return false. Sum mix is a function which takes array, and we need to sum all integers in array, but some of them are given in strings, so we need to probably convert them to integers and then add all of the integers together. Sum mix function takes array, then we create sum for containing our sum of all integers in this array, and we assign 0 to this sum, and then we iterate for each number in our array and adding this number to our sum of all integers. And also we convert the num value to integer because we can take the string, for example here, and here we create it to integer, and if we add this to our sum, we just get the value, not the, for example, 5 string. And at the end we just return the sum of our all numbers. Between function takes two parameters. First one is a, and it is lower than the second one, which is b, and the a parameter is a number from which we start, and the b is the number of parameter where we end. We need to return all integers between a and b. Between function takes a and b, and then we create empty array to contain our integers between a and b, and for each element in range from a to b plus 1, because we need to check the b value, in this case 4, and then we make a jump by 1, so we are taking all the integers only, and we also append our array with this integer, and at the end we just return an array. Thanks for watching. Code will be in the description on GitHub, and see you in the next one. Bye.